Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to read your English book. So watch the full video. You will learn how to read English. Let's start. Read a play about Aladdin and a wonderful lamp. Scene 1. So basically this is a drama. Okay. And here is a scene 1. Scene 1, Aladdin's hut. This is Aladdin home. Mother said, Aladdin, my child, your father passed away long back and I spin cotton to buy us food. But I have become old and my body is frail. I am afraid that I may not be able to work for any longer. Then Aladdin said, Oh, mother, why do you worry so much? Everything will be fine. Mother said, It is the time that you became more responsible and find a job. Aladdin, I have to go to the town, mother. My friends are waiting there for me. I will see you later. Seen to the town. So now Aladdin had reached in town. One old man said, Old man, hello Aladdin. Aladdin said, Hello. I do not think I know you. Old man said, I am your uncle, your father's brother. I feel sorry that I have not been of much help since your father died, but I will take care of you from now on. Puzzled, Aladdin rushed home to speak to his mother about what happened. In scene 3, in Aladdin's hut, Aladdin said to his mother, Aladdin said, Mother, I met a man in the town who claims to be my uncle and he said he would take care of us. Mother, indeed, your father had a brother, but I thought he had died. I am glad he is here to help us. You must ask your uncle to find you a job and do as he commands. So basically, when her mother know about his uncle, she felt little happy, and she requested Aladdin that you should consent with your uncle to find a job. In scene 4, the town, Aladdin said, Uncle, can you help me find a job? Old man said, I have an important piece of work. Help me with that, and in return, I promise to give you a lot of money. Then you will not have to work ever. Actually, in this page, there is an error. Okay, you can see here, there is an error. So I don't know what is the actual word. So please, if you have book, then please let me comment what the word is here. Aladdin said, that sound will help you. ठीक In sign 5, countryside. Countryside means in village, somewhere in village. Aladdin, Uncle, we have walked so far away from town. How much further must we go? Old man said, Son, we are here. The old man uttered some magic words, and the earth below them splits open. Old man, now listen to the task carefully. You must go into the cave and do as I say. I want you to fetch me a hidden treasure that will change our lives for the better. Aladdin said, Sure, uncle, I will do as you say. Old man said, The end of the broken step will lead to a hall. Across the hall to reach the terrace where you will find a lamp. Bring that lamp to me. Scene 6, Aladdin inside the cave. Now Aladdin is inside the cave. Aladdin said, shout excitedly, Uncle, I found the lamp. I am tired and I need some rest before I come out of the cave. I am going to rest here for a while. Then Aladdin said to his uncle that I want to take rest because I am very tired now. Old man shouts angrily. That uncle shouts angrily. Throw me the lamp immediately and then take as much time you want to come back. Aladdin said, Uncle, how could you be more worried about the lamp than about me? Are you even my uncle? Who you are really? Old man angrily. You are a clever boy. Yes, I am not your uncle. I am a magician and the lamb belongs to me. If you disobeyed, you have disobeyed, I am shutting the door of the cave. Your punishment is you will stay inside till I decide to open it. Aladdin, inside the dark cave. I have been inside this cave for 2 days now. All I have this dusty lamp. My poor mother must be worried. Please help me out. Aladdin rubs the lamp while playing with it, and a genie appears in front of him. Jinn said, my master, I am at your command. What can I do for you? Aladdin said, who are you and where have you come from? Jinn, master, I appear whenever you rub the lamp. Aladdin said, take me home right now. In scene 7, Aladdin's hut. Now, Aladdin had come to his hut to meet her mother. Mother said, son, I have been so worried about you. But what do I give you to eat? There is not a morsel of food in the house. Aladdin, cheer up, mother. Aladdin rubbed the lamp again. Jinn, here I am, my master. Aladdin said, bring us some food. Jinn said, here you go, master. A silver bowl, 12 silver plates with delicious food of different variety. Two silver cups and fresh juice appeared in front of Aladdin and his mother. Mother said, son, I beg you to sell off this lamp. This jinn may be devil trying to trick you. By seeing all these, Mama was so very worried about Aladdin, and she thought about that lamp was and that gene was that he might be a devil. Then Aladdin said, no, mother, luck bought me this lamp. We shall sell the silverware one piece at a time to pay for our food. When all of the silver is sold, I will ask the jinn for another set of plates. It is time to change our destiny. Destiny means kismet. So, I hope you love the reading and you understand this story. If you don't understand this story, then I will explain this story in Hindi also. So in next video, I will try to upload as soon as possible and try to explain you this story in Hindi also. Okay. So keep watching. Thank you so much. And if you are new, then please subscribe to this channel. I will also provide question answer of this video. Thank you. See you in the next video.